For this granny square blanket, you will need 3 color of worsted weight yarn. This is the base color yarn, and this is the light pink, light gray color, and off-white color. In this blanket I am using 3 color of worsted weight yarn and one 2.5 mm crochet hook, one craft scissor. Let us start. First you take your base color yarn and make one slip knot. And make 5 chains. And go to the first stitch, make one small circle and then make 1 2 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet and make 2 more double crochet in the ring. This is the part of the center, this is the center part of your blanket, and make 1 and 2 chains and go to the same circle and make 3 double crochet. One, two, 3 double crochet, then 2 chain and you repeat same 3 DC the next step and then 2 chain 3 DC. You make 4 times of the 3 DC stitch and then you make 1 slip stitch for joining this round. I have completed my 4 DC, 4 pairs of DC stitch and then 2 chain. This is the last round of the first row. Here you join it with slip stitch. Then you go for second round. You go to the next stitch and make slip stitch. You make 3 slip stitch in the next 3 stitches, and this is the very first space between the 2 DC, and here you insert your hook and make 1 slip stitch and make 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet and make 2 more double crochet in the same space, then 2 chain, and then go to the same space, make 3 DC stitch. This is the first 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC in the same space, and then you skip the next 3 stitches and go to the next space and make same, repeat same pattern here, and you make same pattern in the second round. You repeat it and then you join it with slip stitch in the beginning chain. Here you join it with slip stitch. This is the second round complete. For third round you make the same things in the, you make slip stitch in the next 3 stitches, and make 3 chain and make 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC in the same space. This is the corner of the square. This is the corner of the square. You make here 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC. DC, 2 chain, 3 DC, then make 1 chain, and here this is the, you skip the 3 stitches and here you go to the next space and make only 3 DC. And then you go to the corner of the square and make 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC, and you repeat same pattern in this round. You increase stitches in every round of the square, and you make 20 inch of the same pattern. You make the big square. I have made 20 inch squares of the granny pattern, and then I am attaching the another color yarn for next pattern. Attach white color yarn, of white color yarn in the corner of the square. You start from here, make 1 slip stitch and make 3 chain, count as a first DC, and make 2 more double crochet in the same space and make 2 chain and go to the same space and make 3 DC stitch. You repeat then 1 chain and make, skip the next 3 stitches and go to the next space and make 3 DC stitch, and you repeat the same granny's pattern and every round, and you change your color of yarn, and you make the 42 inch size for baby blanket, and after that you make it. After that I will teach you how to make the border of the baby blanket. This is my granny square blanket. Here I have used 3 color of yarn, and this is the pattern. Hello friends, this is a crochet border for blanket, baby blanket. You make one chain and skip the next one stitches and go to the space, and here you make one DC stitch, and you start this pattern from corner of the blanket, and first you make the 4 chain, counter chain first, DC and 1 chain, and then you repeat it. Skip the next stitches, go to the second stitch and make one DC. You repeat it in your blanket, all around your blanket. Hello friend, I have finished my first row of the edging. This is the frill or edges of the blanket. You start from the first, this one, the first space. You go make one, first you make one slip stitch or single crochet in the very first space, and go to the next space with 5 DC, 5 double crochet, 1 2 double crochet, 3 4 and 5. Then you go to the next space and make one single crochet. You repeat same pattern in your blanket. 5 DC, then go to the next space and make one single crochet. You repeat it all around your blanket. Hello friends, I have finished my crochet frill of this blanket. Here I am using the 5 double crochet, the space, and then next space 1 single crochet, and after that you make this small size of shell stitch pattern in the same space. And here I have inserted one satin ribbon and you can attach in any other color of ribbon. And this is the 42" by 42" size baby blanket. And please make this baby blanket and share your feedback. Thank you.